Large trees and other shady places with little moisture are typically home to dry shadow. It can be difficult to plant in certain areas. By selecting the appropriate plants, you can still create a stunning landscape in a shaded area with 4 hours or less of direct sunlight. These drought-tolerant perennials, ground covers, and shrubs are the ideal plants for dry shade. Number 1. Coral bells. Coral bells are suited for dry shadow gardens because they are native to rocky cliff environments with easy water drainage. Though they flower, the true feature of these perennials is their foliage. Some varieties, such as Marvelous Marble, have marble-like surfaces and gorgeous multicolored leaves, while some cultivars have deeply colored veins. Others have leaves that nearly resemble spray paint. Number 2. Hardy ferns. You may think of ferns as plants that you'd find in a rainforest or tropical location. However, plenty of ferns will grow well in dry shade. For example, the Japanese painted fern has beautiful silver and burgundy leaves, while the autumn fern takes on a gorgeous golden red color in fall. Other than the occasional slug, pests tend to leave ferns alone. Number 3. Bigroot Geranium. Bigroot Geranium, one of the greatest perennials for dry shade, has deeply lobed leaves that resemble snowflakes. Because of its somewhat fuzzy foliage, it resists rabbits and deer damage. The leaves transform into stunning reddish-orange hues in the fall. Bigroot Geranium gradually spreads to cover the ground in a thick carpet of foliage. Number 4. Foamflower. The foamflower, which is native to North America, spreads swiftly by using runners to create a dense mat of foliage. It produces small frothy wands of pink or white blooms in the spring. Interesting leaf patterns can also be seen in some kinds. For example, wedding tapestry has a purple blotch in the middle of its leaves, while Susquehanna has lobed leaves that are strongly patterned in dark purple. Number 5. Golden Hakone grass. Any shaded area will see more refined thanks to the delicate, bamboo-like stems of Hakone grass, also known as Japanese forest grass. Plant it where the thin foliage of the plant can spill over the side of a raised bed or wall. Some cultivars have leaves with yellow variegation. This slowly growing perennial prefers steady hydration, but may withstand dry circumstances as well. Number 6. Lilyturf. Try cultivating lilyturf in your landscape as a border garden plant. In the summer and winter, its clusters of strap-like, dark green leaves will maintain their color. Late summer sees purple flower spikes rising above the leaves. This grassy ground cover tolerates heat, humidity, and drought well, making it a great choice for an edging for pathways or walkways. Number 7. Japanese Kerria. With Japanese Kerria, you may easily add a shrub border to the shaded part of your yard. Known by another name, Japanese rose, this vintage shrub is prized for its tiny yellow blooms that bloom in the early spring and its arching, brilliant green stems. Make sure to trim it in the spring after it flowers because it blooms on last year's wood. Number 8. Bottlebrush Buckeye. Bottlebrush Buckeye is a gorgeous flowering shrub that will appeal to you if you enjoy flowering shrubs. It has a magnificent midsummer bloom of white flowers with red anthers. This mounded shrub is easy to cultivate in masses in wooded areas or shrub borders, and it draws butterflies. When its leaves turns golden in the fall, it puts on an even more stunning display. Number 9. Sweetbox. Sarcococca hookeriana, or sweetbox, is a natural choice for a shady place in your yard because of its fragrant winter blossoms. Sweetbox's hardy evergreen foliage will not let you down with its glossy leaves, whether you are looking for an evergreen ground cover or hedge. Its beautifully scented stems make a beautiful arrangement at home. Number 10. Wild ginger. The heart-shaped, low-growing leaf of wild ginger makes it an attractive ground cover for gardens with shade. With sluggish growth, these plants create a dense mat that can keep weeds out. One of the possibilities that can withstand dryness the best is native western wild ginger, which is also generally ignored by slugs. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.